Kia Niro First Generation Stop and Tail Lamp Bulb Replacement. To replace stop and tail lamp bulb in your Kia Niro First Generation, follow these steps. 1. Disconnect the negative, battery terminal, and remove the rear combination lamp cover. A. Use a plastic trim removal tool to avoid damaging the headlight housing. 2. Remove the rear combination lamp A after loosening the screws. 3. Remove the rear combination lamp packing A. 4. Disconnect the rear combination lamp connector. 5. Remove the tail lamp and stop lamp socket A by turning it in the counterclockwise direction. 6. Replace the tail lamp and stop lamp bulb. Turn signal backup lamp replacement. To do this yourself, follow these 3 simple steps. 1. Remove the rear bumper under cover A. Left side of the car. Remove the clips and unscrew the bolts. Right side. Remove the 3 clips and unscrew the bolt as shown in the picture. 2. Remove the backup lamp socket A by turning it in the counterclockwise direction. 3. Replace the turn signal backup lamp bulb.
I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.